In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add white flash effect in Capcut. If you've ever wanted that quick punchy flash that emphasizes a beat, a cut, or a dramatic moment, this is a simple way to do it right inside Capcut's web editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to capcut.com. This takes you to Capcut's online editor, which is great because you don't need to install anything. Once you're there, look for the option to create new and click it. That opens a fresh project so you can get straight to editing without distractions. Next, choose the canvas that best fits your video. This is where you pick the aspect ratio. For vertical videos like TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, 9:16 is usually the best choice. For a standard YouTube video, 16:9 works well. If you're aiming for a square post, go with 1:1. Picking the right canvas now helps avoid reframing later. With your project ready, it's time to bring in your footage. In the media panel, locate the video you want to use, then click it to place it on the timeline. You'll see your clip appear as a bar in the timeline area. Make sure your playhead is positioned where you want to preview the effect as you work. Now, open the effects panel. In the editor, this is labeled Effects and gives you access to a library of visual treatments. Once the panel is open, you'll see categories and a search field. In the search bar, type white flash. Using the exact phrase helps surface the effect instantly, so you don't have to scroll through long lists. Within a moment, you should see the white flash effect appear in the results. Click on the white flash effect to apply it to your video. When you click, Capcut places the effect on the timeline, and you'll notice a bright, quick flash at the point it's applied. Play your video to preview how it looks against your footage and audio. If the flash feels too long or too short, you can fine-tune it by adjusting the effect's duration on the timeline and aligning it with your cut or beat. Subtlety often works best. A short, sharp flash usually gives that professional, snappy feel without overwhelming the viewer. Use it sparingly for emphasis, especially if your edit has rapid cuts. That's all there is to it. You've added a clean white flash effect in Capcut using the built-in tools, and you can repeat the same process wherever you want that extra impact. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.